Hey, welcome to the Rock Your Biz Academy Network. It's me, your host, Camille Tyler, and you need to stick around because I'm going to give you the Instagram to-dos that Instagram wants you to do to increase your reach with Reels, the real information about what to do about on Reels. Okay, these are things that you need to write down. So get a pen and invite a friend because you're going to want everybody you know how to get more exposure with your Reels. So here's the do. Okay, first of all, you create that reel. You need to be entertaining and inspirational. Okay, it needs to be a short clip that's going to get people excited or entertained. Okay, and it's a great place to get your message across. Okay, the next to do is play around with filters and text. Okay, be creative. Okay, always think about what different filters you can cut or use when you go into the Instagram app and check out filters, okay? You can always review them before you publish them, okay? So find a filter that you love. Mine's Boss Babe. But what is your favorite filter? Let me know in the comments what your favorite filter is. I love to know, all right? The next thing you need to do is use music in the Instagram music library. Okay. All right. Hold on. I know. So the first, I'm going to give you a tip. Go cut your reel and then hit the music icon. You can find and locate what music, what trending music you want to use. All right. Then you want to, before you publish, hit the button again and you can adjust your camera volume versus your background volume. Adjust that. I always like to bring my background volume down to like a 12. So be sure you use that. And before you add music, if you want to save that video to distribute in other places, it won't save the sound. So save it before you add the music. Okay. All right. Because music is what gets people excited and adds a flair to you and your business. Okay. The next thing you want to do is experiment and have more fun. Okay. Have fun. Be yourself. And the real authentic self, whether you like it or not, you can do it by having more fun. All right. So the last thing you need to do is you need to connect your Facebook business page. I call it my fan page. Why? Because you're a rock star. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And your Instagram business page so they connect, because that will double your reach. Because I'm all about helping you rock your business by rocking your personal brand. And to do it, we need to get strong, and I need to help you and teach you how to rock y'all biz with video. All right. So take care for now. Give this a thumbs up. Share this out like social media. And if you got the news, you're gonna want to see the don'ts.